Hey, it's Jeff with Double J Electric showing you some easy electrical maintenance tips for your home. Inspect cords regularly, making sure there's no cuts or frays. And if they are damaged, like this one, this can be replaced. It's not total garbage. You could cut this and put a new end on it. Inspect your GFIs, making sure they have the proper cover where no water can get in. Test them regularly just by hitting the test button. You heard that click, so I know it works. Hit reset, and this one's good. If you have an older home that doesn't have GFIs outside, consider putting them in. This is not a good cover. Water can get in there, and this receptacle is damaged here. This needs to get replaced. Take a look at your electrical panel and make sure that there's no open spots in the panel exposed, like this one right here. You can get panel fillers that'll close this up and keep this safe. There's live electricity behind here where a breaker should go. Since there's no breaker here, this is what the panel filler looks like. You just put it in like this, it just snaps in, keeps you safe. Sometimes cords could come out of walls. Check anything you might have plugged in, make sure this isn't happening. Make sure you get a good connection. Those are some easy things you could do around your home to ensure your house is safe. If you have any questions or something you'd want us to look at, give us a call, 204-330-7120, or check out our website, www.doublejelectricmb.com.